What if you could build the exact same systems powering Netflix, Discord, and Uber instead of just reading about them? We have an average rating of 4.8 stars, offer 38 flagship courses, and 3 free lessons per course. SystemDR makes it possible to stop watching tutorials and start building systems that get you hired. Let's dive in. Most engineers spend years stuck, not due to a lack of talent, but because the tools failed them. Tutorials don't translate to real-world problems. Interview gaps remain wide, and career progress feels stuck. Senior roles demand system design depth that most platforms never teach. SystemDR was built to solve all 3 of these frustrations. SystemDR is a career acceleration engine. We focus on real systems, real problems, and real engineering. Build actual distributed systems, not sandbox exercises. Gain industry-level depth by studying architectures from engineers who built them. Our curriculum is reverse engineered from senior job specs, and you can start for free with free trial lessons. The numbers don't lie. We offer over 38 flagship courses and 100 free modules with a 4.8-star average rating, 0.3 free lessons per course. Our students build real systems like a Kafka-powered social platform, which helped Alex M. land a senior engineer offer and a 40% salary jump. These are real deliverables, not just theory. Why SystemDR? Because learning should be structured, focused, and built for real outcomes. With our structured learning paths, there's always a track designed just for you. No guesswork, no confusion. Explore system design and architecture by building real-world systems like Netflix or Discord, and master scalability from the ground up. Step into AI and machine learning with complete MLOps pipelines, from training models to deploying and monitoring them at scale. Build powerful AI agents with domain-specific reasoning, or sharpen your skills through language-based tracks like Go, Java, Python, and C++. Prefer role-based growth? Progress from junior to architect with clearly mapped skills at every stage. Or dive into DevOps and cloud, mastering Linux, CI/CD, Docker, and end-to-end production workflows. With over 30 curated paths across 6 domains, your journey isn't just guided, it's engineered for success. Pick your path to senior. Start free with over 20 modules and 3 free lessons per course. Scale when ready with Pro for $39 a month. The best value is Pro Max for $99 a month, giving you unlimited access to all courses, Substack series, and dedicated support. Start building your career today with 0 risk. Engineers who wait another year watching tutorials will still be mid-level. The ones who start building today become the architects. Enroll now at systemdrd.com. No credit card is required, and you get 100+ free modules and 3 free lessons on every course. 0 commitment. SystemDR. Real systems, real results. Let's build.